How to buy GloomyPal token. So this token came under the symbol of Gloomy. Now before we start, this is not virtual advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on all those snipes. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under this, so not any joke. Now open your fund your wallet for that. As you can see, now we'll just log into my wallet first. So after that, what you need to do, click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course. Now click here to copy the paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on Solana. After that, you will be able to redact it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and squeeze the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can go and buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy Gloomy token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.